Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Crime TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 side hustles to earn $1,000 a month, and this is for beginners. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay family, I'm at the first website, and I'm sure you heard of this website before, eBay. So yes, this is a good side hustle for beginners to start making at least $1,000 a month. Now what you're going to do guys is you can start off by selling things around your house, or you can get things from Walmart and sell, because there are a lot of things that you can get from Walmart and you can up the price on eBay and be able to sell it on there. So it's going to be something like drop shipping. So what you're going to do is post a picture of one of the best selling products from Walmart. You're going to open up an account here on eBay, post it on here, and when somebody buys that product, then you go to Walmart and buy that product and ship it out to them. So you wait till you get paid first, then you use that money to go buy the product from Walmart, and you're going to get more than you paid for this product on Walmart. So the money left over is the profit that you're going to make. So that's one way guys that you can make some money, at least $1,000 a month, with a side hustle. So this is side hustle number 1. Now let me go to side hustle number 2. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and this is side hustle number 2, which is print on demand. So this website right here, as you can see, they print whatever design you have on a shirt, a picture, a mug, a card, as you can see in a book, like an album. So as you can see here, it says a fully integrated solution for customized print products. So it's for creators, entrepreneurs, and enterprises. So they take care of all the invoices and everything, guys. And they ship all around the world, as you can see here. They have fulfilled 10 million plus orders, been around for 12 years, and fast delivery. And here are the easy integrations. So you need to use one of these websites right here to promote and market your design on a t-shirt or mug. So I use Etsy. So let me go ahead and go to Etsy. Let me show you that website. So okay guys, I'm on Etsy. As you can see here, they have all different type of products you can sell on here. And of course they have t-shirts, mugs. So what you're going to do guys is when you open up an account here, you're going to go ahead and get a design on a t-shirt and sell it on here. So you can go to Fiverr, get a design done for $5, real cheap. So once you get that design guys, you're going to go to print on demand. You can go ahead and place the design on a t-shirt and sell it here. So once somebody buy it, print on demand will mail it out to them. So that's how that works. You can easily make $500 to $1,000 a month doing this. Alright guys, now let me go to the last and final side hustle. Okay guys, I'm at the last website, and this is the third side hustle. Name of this website is Turo. So it says here, getting started on Turo, how to create a stellar listing from day one and get on the fast track to success. So on here guys, you're going to be able to rent out your car and make money. So as you can see here, some people earn an average $706 per month guys. And as the months go by, you can easily go all the way up to $18,000. Just depends on how many cars you'll be able to rent out. Now if you only got one car, you can rent that car out and make at least $700 a month. And guys, they take care of everything, the insurance, everything that a rental place does, they take care of it. All you have to do is go ahead and rent out your car and get paid. So guys, if you want to start renting out your car and make some money, just go ahead and go to Turo.com, sign up, and get started. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thanks again. Road to 8,000, let's go, let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please watch these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.